My name is Jack McLean, and my passion is for game design, game development, software programming, software like engineering. I'm going to college for that, so that's really my passion. I joined the drone team because of, first of all, peer pressure. My two friends like, we're joining the drone team. You should join the drone team. And I'm like, maybe. And then they're like, you should join the drone team. I was like, okay, I'll join the drone team. And so I did, but I'm staying because I actually sort of enjoy my time here, programming, getting everything put together. It's pretty nice. I look forward to, at the end, where we get to see all of our hard work combined together to finally just like reach that goal at the end. Make so that we see that our work has actually come together and did something, like a cohesive achievement. Nice.